You want to own part of MTN shares? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy MTN shares on IC World app. Okay, before you can invest in MTN shares on IC World app, you need to create account on IC World. Okay, so what you have to do is you go to Google Play Store and install the IC app, and the next thing you need is your Ghana card or any valid ID card. Okay, and then you use it to register your account, and after that, then you deposit and buy a shares you want to. Okay, when you open the account, then you will see the investment. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to buy the shares on the app. Okay, so let's watch it a step by step on how to buy the shares. So this is actually, then you open the app and then you will see the investment. Okay, so what you have to do is you click on invest. Have you seen that there is a lot of um shares you can buy? So you click on MTN shares. Okay, so this is the price of MTN shares. Then you click on it. After that, then you come to invest. Okay, so when you click on invest, it will appear like this. Then you choose IC liquidity fund, and they'll ask you the payment type. Okay, so me, I'm going to use mobile money, and then the amount I want to invest. So I will type 40 Ghana cedis. Okay, and then they'll ask you for investment frequency, either today only or every day. Me, I will choose every month. Okay, and then the dates you are investing in, I choose 7th November, and then my contact. Okay, so after that, then you submit it. Okay, so you click on continue, and then it will come like this. Have you seen that it came on investment request submitted successful? Okay, so this is how to do it. Okay, I have buy my first shares on MTN. Okay, so now I'm the part of MTN. So this is how to do it. It's very easy for you to do it. Okay, so me, I have buy my first share on MTN. So now I'm part of MTN. Okay, so I'm a shareholder on MTN shares. Okay, so it's very easy for you to do it. And one thing is that each shares is 4 cedis 50 pesos. Okay, so let's say you buy MTN shares around 4 cedis 50 pesos, and the price of MTN shares goes higher. You can sell your shares for anyone you want to sell it for. Okay, and interest from it. Okay, so now you have become part of MTN company. When the MTN company works very hard, at the end of the day, they will pay you a dividend. Okay, so if MTN company did not work very hard and they didn't earn any interest at the end of the day, you too, you won't earn anything from it. So that's how investment works. Okay, investment always comes at risk. Okay, so take note of that one. And when you download the app and you are trying to buy the MTN shares and it doesn't open for you, don't worry. Okay, because you are a beginner, they want to do some review on your details. Okay, before they send you the email that now you can buy the MTN shares. Okay, so if you download the app and you try to buy the shares and it doesn't open for you, make sure to take your time, at least 2 or 3 weeks time, and they will send you an email, and now after that you can buy the shares you want. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so Now you know how to invest in MTN on IC World app. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share for others also to benefit from it. Okay, and if you have any comment, leave it on comment down below. Thank you for watching it. See you in my next video. Here is Profit Mind channel. See you next time. Bye.